Hey folks, and welcome to Pixel Litter's Top 5 Off-Road Racing Games with Short Course and Trophy Trucks. There are few mechanical wonders out there as awesome as the incredible high-end off-road racing trucks. I mean, really, what other machine out there can do 120 plus miles an hour over 6-foot dirt jumps and landing massive leaps flying hundreds of feet through the air more smoothly than most vehicles can take a speed bump? These amazing abilities only exist in the extreme world of off-road racing. Desert and short course custom-built very expensive trucks. Some of these trucks can actually cost over $500,000 to build. Fortunately, however, there are a few dedicated video games out there that allow you to experience this kind of awesomeness at a much lower price. At number 5, we have an oldie but a goodie, Score International Baja 1000. This title was the first to bring the full Baja 1000 experience to video gamers everywhere. This game may be heavily lacking in the graphics department, even for its age, but it makes up for it with a solid semi-realistic driving physics engine. Number 4, we have Greville. Greville features a bunch of great off-road trucks and great graphics as well. However, it lacks pretty heavily in the physics department. Unlike the rest of the games on this list, this title is purely an arcade type of race game. But that may be just fine for the folks out there that like arcade off-road racers. Number 3, we have MX vs ATV Reflex. This title has quite realistic driving physics and very decent graphics for its time. It also has a wide vehicle variety and some great racing trophy trucks as well. In at number 2, we have Baja Edge of Control HD. This is certainly the best Baja exclusive title out there today. Both the driving physics and the graphics are excellent. If what you are looking for is a pure open world off-road racer with awesome trophy trucks, then this game is for you. Coming in at number 1 at the top of the list, we have Dirt 4. This title offers a great variety of off-road racing joy, and not to mention the best off-road short course truck racing available to date. If you are a big fan of the Lucas Oil short course truck racing, then this is certainly the game for you. Well, there you have it, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.